giving customers the ability to select their preferred store or warehouse location at every stage of their shopping journey is one of the most impactful ways to improve the buying experience on a multi-location store. In this video, we will show you how to display the location selector across your entire site, on single product pages, in the cart, via pop-up, and anywhere using a shortcode. Each method is straightforward to configure, and together they create a seamless location-aware experience for every customer. Let's get started. Let's begin with the single product page. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Location Manage, then open Settings. Select Location Info Management tab. Scroll to the Location Selection Display Setting. Here you will find all the controls for how and where the location selector appears on your product page. The first option is Display Location on Single Product. Toggle this on to enable selector on all single product pages. This is the master switch. Once enabled, the selector will appear on every product page according to your configured settings. Next, we have Location Display Position. This controls exactly where the location selector appears on the product page. Here you can see 5 placement options: after product title, after product price, before add to cart button, after add to cart button, or in product meta section. Choose the position that suits your page layout and customer journey you want to create. Then we have Location Selector Layout. Select the visual style of the location selector. Here we can see 3 styles are available: List View, Button Style. Select drop down. Let's go with Button Style. See how they appear on your single product page. Then the last option is Hide Out of Stock Locations. If you enable this option, when enabled, this option automatically hides any locations that are currently out of stock for the product being viewed, and this keeps the selector clean, prevents customers from selecting a location that cannot fulfill their order. After doing all configuration, go down and click Save Changes. Once your settings are saved, the location selector will appear on single product pages exactly as configured. Next, let's enable the location selector in the cart. From Location Manage, open Settings. Open Order and Cart tab. Go down and find Cart Settings. Enable the Allow Location Change in Cart. This allows customers to select or change their preferred location directly from the cart page before completing their order. Now go down and click Save Changes. Now visit the cart page. You will see the location selector displayed, giving customers a final opportunity to confirm or update their location before checkout. This is particularly valuable for customers who may have browsed without selecting a location, ensuring every order is assigned to the correct fulfillment point before it is placed. The third display method is the pop-up. From Location Manage, open Settings. Now open Pop-up tab. Enable pop-up to activate the location selector pop-up across your site. Now choose the visual template for your pop-up: Default, Modern, Modern Simple, Classic, Tabs, Compact, or Grid. You can also replace the standard location drop-down with Select To by enabling it. And from here you can choose will the title show in pop-up or not. And there is hierarchical option. It could be on, off, or displayed separately, and can enable or disable show count. And this option is for show pop-up for admins. You can also add custom CSS here. After all the changes, you need to click Save Changes. Then if you visit any page, you'll see a pop-up like this. Go back. The fourth method gives you the most flexibility, placing the location selector anywhere on your site using a shortcode. Place the shortcode anywhere in your page, and the location selector will render exactly where you place it. The shortcode supports a full set of parameters for complete customization: title, show title, use select to, hierarchical, show count, plus enable user locations, mix with multi-line. By combining these parameters, you can create a fully customized location selector tailored to any page layout or design requirement with no development work needed. For product-specific landing pages, you can use a dedicated shortcode that targets a single product, giving you precise control over how the location selector is presented for that item. So this is the shortcode, and this shortcode supports 3 key parameters: product ID, layout, label, This shortcode is ideal for dedicated product landing pages, promotional campaigns, or for any pages where you want a location selector tied to a specific product. Here's a summary of what the location selector display option delivers for your business. First, complete coverage. Second, personalized experience. Third, flexible layouts. Fourth, reduced card abandonment. Fifth, no code placement. To get the most out of the location selector, keep these best practices in mind. 1. Place the location selector before the Add to Cart button on product pages. This ensures customers select their location before committing to purchase, reducing assignment errors and improving fulfillment accuracy. 2. Enable hide out of stock locations to keep the selector clean and prevent customer frustration from selecting an unavailable fulfillment point. 3. Use the pop-up for first-time visitors to capture their location preference early before they start browsing. This ensures all stock and pricing they see is immediately relevant. 4. Use the location placeholder and custom labels in your shortcodes to make the selector feel personal and on-brand rather than generic. 5. Always test each display method from the customer's perspective after configuration. Switch between locations and verify that stock availability and pricing update correctly across all selector placement. So the location selector displays option gives you complete control over how and where customers interact with location-based features across your store, whether on a product page, in the cart, or through a pop-up, or on a custom landing page. Every customer can select their location with ease and show up with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below with any questions. We are always here to help. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.